Okay, so first part that we are going to start with the angle 150 degree. Okay, so I will do this part with the shortcut method. Okay. Now sine 50 you can write 150. How can you write it? In multiple form of 90. You can write it as sine plus 60 degrees. Sine 90 into 1 plus 60 degrees. Am I right about it? See, 90 into 1 plus 60. This is the multiple form of 150 degree. Okay, now look carefully here. Which quadrant you are entering in? Imagine in your mind. See, 90 into 1, first quadrant. One quadrant is 90 degrees. Plus 60 degrees. That means you will enter which quadrant? Second quadrant. Okay, so in second quadrant, sign is positive or negative? Sign is positive. Sign is always positive. Okay. Now, the number here written here is 1. 1 is what? Odd or even? 1 is odd number. So, this sign will convert into cos. Okay, remaining thing is 60. So, plus cos 60. What is the value of cos 60? It is 1 by 2. So, answer is plus 1 by 2. Okay. Next one we will find is cos 150. Okay, cos of 150. Okay. Now, you can write this as cos of same 90 into 1 plus 60 degrees. Okay, which quadrant do we is this angle lying in? Second quadrant. I already showed you. Okay, so in second quadrant, cos is negative or positive? Cos is negative, so we will write the sign negative here. Okay, now the multiple here is 1. 1 is even or odd? 1 is odd. So cos will convert into sine. Okay, now sine. Now remaining thing is 60 degrees. 63 degrees is the remaining thing. So you will write here 60 degrees. So this comes out to be how much? Minus root 3 by 2. Sine 60 is how much? Sine 60 is how much? Root 3 by 2 and minus root 3 by 2. Okay. Last tan 150. That's equal to sine 150 on should be equal to how much? Minus root 3 by 2 upon 1 by 2. So 2 cancel. So this comes out to be minus root 3. So tan 150 is minus root 3. Okay. This was the first part. Okay. Now we will go forward. Next thing that they have asked us is 180 degrees. 180 I think we have done already. We have done it in the example. We have already found out all the values of 180 degrees in trigonometric function. It is given in the example. So now on the next part we will go 210 degrees. 210 degrees. Okay. So first one is sine 210. Okay. Now carefully try and imagine in which quadrant will this lie. This will lie in, see, I will write it in the multiple form first. 90 into 2. 90 into 2 is how much? 180. Okay. How much will you add to 180? 30. Okay. Now look carefully what I am talking about. Which quadrant are you entering? 90 into 2 means you have finished second quadrant already, because 190 is one quadrant. 90 into 2 means two quadrants. Plus 30 means which quadrant are you entering? Third quadrant. You are entering third quadrant. So in third quadrant, what is the value of sine? Sine is always negative, because sine is always positive in second quadrant. I have showed you before. Sine will be negative. Okay. So next thing, what is the multiple of 90 here? It is even. Okay. So if there is a even multiple, what will happen to sine? Sine will change to cos or not? It will not change. It will remain same. So you will get sine here, and last is 30 degrees. 30 degrees is the angle here. Okay, so you will write here sine 30. Okay, don't worry, I will show you this 90 into 2 plus 30, how I am doing, why I am doing. I will show you later. After this exercise, we are going to talk all about this only. Okay, don't worry, don't get confused. For now, just do as I am showing you. Later on, I will explain you everything. Why this becomes cos, why this becomes sine. I will explain you everything. Don't worry. Okay, so this one will be minus sine 30. Okay, what is sine 30? It is 1 by 2. So this will be minus 1 by 2. It will be minus 1 by 2. Okay, now next one, cos 210. Okay, how can you write cos 210? Same, 92 plus 30 degrees. Which quadrant is this lying inside? It is lying in the third quadrant. In third quadrant, cos is negative or positive? It is negative. Okay, what is the multiple here? Multiple here, even. 2 is even, so you will get sine. The remaining thing is the angle, that is 30 degrees. So answer will be how much? Minus 1 by 2. Okay, cos 120 is minus 1 by 2. Sorry, this will be cos. I am sorry, my bad. Because it is even. Since the multiple is even, so it will remain cos. Okay, so cos 30 is how much? Root 3 by 2. And into minus 1 is minus root 3 by 2. Okay, what will be tan 210? Simply divide sine 210 value and cos 210. So that will be minus 1 by 2 upon 3 by 2. Okay. So minus minus cancel. 2 cancel. 1 by root 3. Okay. This is the value of tan 210. Okay, I'll rub this. Next one is 300 degrees. Okay, 300 degrees. Okay, 300 degree. We will find first sine 300. Okay, now in which quadrant is this 300 degree lying in? See, 90 into 3, I mean you can write it as sine 90 into 3 is how much? 270. Okay, see, if anybody has problem understanding what I am talking, just make a rough drawing. Okay, if you have a problem understanding, because I can understand this is the first time you all are doing. So if you have a problem understanding what I am doing here, just imagine, see, till here to here is how much? 90 degree. From here to here is how much? 180 degree. I hope you all know this what I am doing here. Here to here is how much? 270. 90 is how much? 270, right? So that's how I wrote 90 into 3. Okay, now I will write plus here. The angle is how much? 300. So 90 into 3 is 270. 270 is here. Okay, now you have to find 300. So 300 will be somewhere here. Okay, so you can make this drawing also, not a problem for me. Okay, in rough you can make this drawing. So you can see directly here which quadrant is this lying in. This is lying in the fourth quadrant. You can see here. Okay, should not be a problem. So this will be sine 90 into 3 plus 30. I showed you already how this came out to be. This, which quadrant is this lying in? This is lying in the fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, sine is negative or positive? Sine is negative. So I will write negative sign here. Okay. Now what is the multiple here? Multiple is 3. 3 is even or odd? It is a odd number. So sine will get converted to cos. Okay. Angle is 30. So this comes out to be minus root 3 by 2. Okay. Next one I will find. I hope this is clear, yeah. I will not always make this. You can make this on your own also. This is very simple. Okay. Now next one we will see cos 300. Okay, next one is cos 300. How can we write 300? Same, 90 into 3. Okay, so sine, this is, first of all I will find the sine. So this is lying in the fourth quadrant. I already showed you. In fourth quadrant, cos is negative or positive? It is positive. Okay, now multiple here is even or odd? It is odd. Okay, so cos will convert to sine. Okay, and what is remaining thing? The angle 30 degree. So this comes out to be 1/2. Okay, hope that is clear. Now what will be the value of tan 300? Tan 300 will be sin 300 upon cos 300. So minus root 3/2 upon 1/2. It comes out to be minus root 3. This comes out to be minus root 3. Okay, so this was the, I don't know which part, 6th or 7th of the first question. Okay. Now last part is 330 degrees. Okay, last part is 330 degrees. Okay. Now I am going to do this part with both methods, the conventional also and the shortcut method also. Okay, this is but most of the times I will use the shortcut method only. Okay, because as you have seen, the conventional method is quite long, but for sake of you all I am doing the shortcut method, the conventional method once again. Okay, so 330 degrees. Okay, so degrees. So this will look something like this. The unit circle I showed you already before. Okay, this is a unit circle here. Okay, now this angle is how much? 330 degrees. Okay, now first thing you have to make is a reference angle. Okay, reference angle is between terminal side. Terminal side is where the angle ends, and the initial side, and the x-axis. Sorry, and the x-axis. So the angle will be this one. Okay, and how much is the value of this angle? 30 degrees. How much is the value? 30 degrees. Hope that is clear. Okay, 330 degrees, and this is 30 degrees here. Okay, now this is 30 degrees. Now you will make a triangle as I showed you earlier. Okay, this will be a triangle here. So you will simply drop a perpendicular. Okay, and I say this angle was 30 degree. Okay, this angle is 30 degree. This is OAB. Okay, and this will be, say, X, and this pair will be Y. Okay, now simply what will be the value in triangle AOB? Okay, X is the base upon hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is 1 unit triangle, 1 unit radius. So 1 is the hypotenuse. X upon 1 will be how much? Base upon hypotenuse is how much? Cos 30. Okay, or it will be equal to how much? X is equal to root 3 by. I hope that is clear. Now perpendicular y upon hypotenuse. Y upon 1 is equal to sin 30. Y upon 1 is equal to sin 30. So y is equal to 1/2. Okay, We are not finished yet. Now which quadrant is this lying in? Fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant, y is what? Negative and x is positive. Since x is in this direction but y is in the bottom direction, so y will be negative. Okay, so you can write here y is equal to -1, sorry. You can write here y is equal to -1/2. Okay, and you can write here x will be same because x is already positive, you know. So x is equal to √3/2. Hope that is clear. Now you all know what is the value of sine theta. Sine 330. Sine 330 will be y, and cos 330 will be x. Y is how much? -1/2, and x is how much? √3/2. Okay, and y tan 330 y/x. Okay, so this will be -1/2 upon √3/2. This is -1/√3. So these are the three values of sine 330, cos 330, tan 330 by the conventional method. Okay, now I will use the shortcut method. So what were we trying to find? Sine 330. You can write this as what? 90 into 3 plus 60 degrees. 90 into 3 is 270 plus 60 degrees. Fourth quadrant sign is what? Negative. So I will write minus sign. Multiple is 3. 3 is even or odd? 3 is odd. Okay. So this will get converted to what? This was sine, so it will get converted to cos because 3 is odd and remaining is 60 degrees. So minus cos 60. In other words, minus cos 60 is how much? -1/2. See, same answer came. Okay. So next is cos 330. Same, cos 90 into 3 plus 60. Okay. So cos will get converted to what? Sine, because 3 is odd. So sine. Okay, one more thing. What will be the sign here? Cos is lying in which quadrant? Fourth, because this 90 into 3 plus 60. And cos is what? Positive or negative in fourth quadrant? Cos is positive, so positive will come here. Okay, so sine, because odd, what will come in the angle? Sine 60. So this will be √3/2. And now you can find tan 330. Divide these two. Sorry, this and this divide. So this comes out to be -1/√3. Okay, so these were the values of the trigonometric function, or the values of 330 degrees. Yeah, 330 degrees. Okay, now let us go forward. Next part is sine -30 degree. So this is very simple question. -30 degrees. So sine of -30. So what is sine of minus theta? Sine of minus theta is minus sine theta. So this will be minus sine 30. Or you can write here sine 30 is how much? Sine 30 is 1/2. So this will be -1/2. Okay. Now next one, cos -30. Cos of minus theta is what? I showed you all the identities. I told you to write down also. So the cos of minus theta is cos theta. So you will write cos 30. Cos 30 is how much? √3/2. Okay, and tan -30 is minus tan theta. Minus tan 30. Okay, and tan 30 is how much? Root 1 by root 3, so minus 1 by root 3. See, very simple. Okay, this minus, you just have to use the identities. I will write the identity again. Okay, these are the three identities. Okay, please never forget them, they are quite simple. Okay, these three identities I used, and these all I am going to use further. Okay, next is minus 45, minus 60. These are quite easy. Minus 90, you can do them yourself. I will start with greater than 90 degrees, and that is 120 degrees. Okay, we will start with minus 120. So minus 120 degrees. It is very simple. Okay, so sine of minus 120. Okay, minus sine 120, because this one. Okay, I have written for you already. So you can write it like this: 90 into 1 plus 30. Which quadrant? Second quadrant. Second quadrant, sign is positive or negative? Sign is positive. So this will remain same. So I will write here minus sign again. This sign will be carried forward. Okay, because plus will come out, so not a problem. Okay, so minus will remain minus 1. It will be the same thing. Okay, because it is positive, so you can see like this. Okay, the minus was already here. Minus into plus. Minus into plus is minus, right? Because sign is positive, so plus came out. Sign is positive in second quadrant, so plus came out. Minus into plus is what? Minus, so minus will remain here. Okay, now 90 into 1. 1 is odd or even? 1 is odd. Okay, so this will be turn into, sign will turn into cos. And remaining thing is 30 degrees, so minus cos 30. This will be how much? Minus root 3 by 2. Okay. Now next one. Cos of minus 20. Okay. So cos of minus theta is what? Cos theta. Okay. So what will I write here? Cos 120. Now it's a simple problem. You can write like this. Lying in second quadrant cos is positive, so plus. Okay, then 1 is even or odd? 1 is odd, so it will convert to sine. Remaining 30, sine 30, so 1 by. Okay, tan minus 120 will be what? Simply divide sine 120 and cos 120 values, or you can use this formula, it's up to you. So tan 120 will be minus 120 will be what? Sine 120, sine minus 120 upon cos minus 120. Okay, and this shall be equal to minus root 3 by 2 upon 1 by 2. This will be equal to minus root 3. I hope this is clear to you all. Okay, next one that we are going to do is, let us do minus 240 degrees. Minus 240 degrees. So minus 240 degrees. Okay, so first one, sine of minus 240 degrees. Okay, first of all, what we will do with the minus sign? I will take it out. Okay, now for the time being, forget there is this minus sign here. Just try and solve this sine 240 value. Okay, just try and solve the sine 240 value. Okay, so first of all I will make it into multiple of 90. So I can write this as 90 into 2 plus 60 degrees. 90 into 2 is what? 180 plus 60 is equal to 240. Which quadrant is it lying in? 90 into 2 means 2 quadrants, plus 60 means you have entered the third quadrant. So in third quadrant, sign is negative or positive? Sign is always negative. Okay, so negative sign will come out. So negative was already here. So negative into negative is what? Positive. So it will be positive here. Why it will be positive? Because negative was already outside. Okay. Now look carefully here. 2 is even or odd? 2 is even. So sign will get converted to sine only. It will remain same. Angle is 60 degrees. This will be root 3 by 2. Sine 60 is root 3 by 2. You all must know that. Okay. Next one. Okay. So cos of minus theta is what? Cos theta. So same way you can write this also. This is lying in the third quadrant. In the third quadrant, cos is negative or positive? Cos is negative. Okay, so negative sign will come outside. 2 is even, so cos will remain cos. So cos and 60. So what is minus cos 60? Minus 1 by 2. Okay, last is tan minus 240, yeah. To find that, simply divide sine 240 and cos minus 240. Sine minus 240, cos minus 240. That comes out to be root 3 by 2 upon minus 1 by 2. So this is equal to minus root 3. Okay. So this is the angle minus 240 degrees. Now we are going to do the last part, and now we will do, yes, we will do minus 270. Okay, we will do minus 270. This will be the last part for this question. Okay, minus 270 degrees. So first sine of minus 270. So my sine of minus theta is what? Minus sine theta. So minus sine 270. Okay. So how can you write it in the multiple form? You can write it as, this is quite simple question. 90 into 3. 90 into 3 is what? 270. So nothing is remaining. So you will write simply here. You will simply write here 0. Okay. You will write here 0. Okay. Now many of you will have a doubt that we should take it in which quadrant. Okay. So for sake of convenience, we will take it to be in the fourth quadrant, because you see it is plus 0. So and little bit adding something, even though it is 0, but you can imagine it like you have added something. So this comes out to be which quadrant? This is the fourth quadrant. Okay. So in fourth quadrant, what is the what is the value of sine? The value of sine is what? It is always negative. Okay. So negative will be what? Positive. This will be positive. Okay. Now the number here is this number here. This is even or odd? This is odd. So sine will get converted into cos. And what angle will you write here? 0 degree. So cos of 0 is 1. So your answer will be 1. Okay. Now next one is cos of minus 270. Okay, same way. सर एक पॉज करना.